Normally I would, but I'm not. I don't care.
I hope that was a log in there.
What do you mean?
That was your bait right there.
I'm gonna back off that. Here's the lip right here. It's 13 foot. That's a keeper, I think. No, it's not. Well, yeah, it is. That's probably 12.
That's 12. That's 12.
That's 100% a fish.
That's 2 times inside there.
Wait, no, you know what? I think it's a beaver.
Oh, yeah, that slat because it's so big.
You think this is 12? Well, venture. First cast. I'm gonna move pretty quick through here. I'm gonna go fish this mouth and I'm gonna move. I'm gonna try to get to where I lost those fish. Okay.
That's a beaver, I think.
Is that a beaver?
I think he just keeps flopping like.
Well, usually you'd see them pop up, and that's super shallow right there. Okay, guys, we've got day 2. The TOC sitting in 17th place. They're paying the top 15, super close to the top 10. Checked a starting spot that we started on yesterday with Anthony up there, and I just wasn't feeling it, so I'm gonna go to where, if you guys watch my day 1 recap, I lost all those fish, caught my 3 best fish, and we're gonna see how this goes. We're gonna see how this goes. All we gotta do is try to do just a little bit better today than I did yesterday. I think we're gonna be in good shape. Bad boat positioning. Bad boat positioning. Where'd that fish blow up? Oh! Dang it. God, these things. Completely missing it. No! God, that was a freaking big one. Oh. Gosh, dang it. Okay, you guys, this day should have been, with the bites I've got, better than yesterday. And it's later in the day, 9:30, and I have 2 12-inch fish. We did not fish clean today. Also didn't get as many frog bites today. But it's either just not my time or we're gonna have to go make something else happen here. But it's definitely frustrating. I would have liked to get at least 1 good fish in here. Something that just moved way up here. Alright, we gotta go try to get a limit. Not feeling it right now. These fish just are not cooperating. Lost the opportunities that I needed. We gotta do something different now. Alright, you guys, I had to get out of there. I should have had a better limit already than I did yesterday. With the bites I got in there. and I'm sitting here with two 12-inchers at almost 10 o'clock. So gotta stay positive. Gotta stay positive. We're gonna go do some different stuff now. That'll go 12. Where are our big fish, you guys? Oh wait, we hooked them already and we lost every single one of them. I know that's frog fishing, but gosh, I was hoping to at least get a couple in there. I don't know if that will go 12. Oh, it will. Oh, that one. Oh. All right, you guys, it's freaking cloudy. I need some big bites. I'm gonna roll a buzz bait. My GoPro's starting to act funny, y'all. I don't like that. Just shut it a layer. Shut it a layer. It's saying the battery's low and I've got it hooked up to external power. Getting super frustrated with this. And a half, 11 and a half, 11 and a half. All right, guys. I still got to get 2 fish. It's noon. I've got 3 hours left. I think I'm going to go lean on these frogfish and just see if there's a late afternoon frog deal here. That's really all I can think of right now. I need to get better, got to get better sized fish. Please stand. Got him. Thank you, Jesus. 18 and a half. Goodness, we needed that. Got it. 14 3/4. Oh, okay, you guys. Just got back to the Airbnb, took a shower. Wrapped up with day 2. It took me an hour and 55 minutes to get back to the ramp, y'all. I am so exhausted. My smart, intelligent, very well prepared, organized self brought a 128 gig SD card this morning instead of a 256, which is what I needed. So I had to, throughout the day, I didn't know what was going on. It said the SD card was full, and I was like, there's no way. I deleted everything. I had to delete several files from the morning, lost a fish catch or two, and realized that I had a 128 gig card. So missed the last part of my day. Ended up culling the 17 3/4 on the frog. Missed about 3 or 4 others. So I'm actually quite okay that it didn't pick that up, because that would have stung even more. I don't know how many fish are under this mat. It's actually insane. But I think tomorrow I'm gonna lock that freaking frog rod in my hand, and I'm gonna go swinging as everything I can. It's supposed to rain tomorrow and be cloudy. Sometimes what that rain will do is those fish will suck up right under the mats. I'm hoping that's the case. I'm not really sure. Brain's not working super well, but with the day I had today at 80.5 inches, moved up to 13th place, inside the money right now. They pay the top 15. I'd love to crack that top 10. I don't know how much juice I've got left in me, y'all, but I'm going to give it my best shot. So, going to do the best we can with what we got. Appreciate y'all very, very much. I am going to go attempt to eat something and drink some water and just kind of rest, because tomorrow is going to be a long one. So, take care, y'all. God bless, and stay tuned for the final day of the Tournament of Champions on Chickamauga.